Well, greetings, Business 10 students. This is Mr.D, and this is week 11 in our 16-week course in Introduction to Business here at Norco College. And once again, I put together a brief video just going over some of the assignments that you're going to be working on this week and to talk a little bit about what we covered last week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And here I am on my dashboard in Canvas, and I'm going to enter into our course. And then that'll bring me to our course homepage. And of course, we are in module number 3 right now. We have 2 more weeks, and then we'll be moving into our 4th and final module. So I'm going to go ahead and select module 3 on the homepage. And so last week we started module 3, actually 2 weeks ago on week 9, right after spring break. And in this case, this semester, this may be a video you're watching a different semester. But either way, week 9, couple of weeks ago, we looked at chapter 13, which was the end of our marketing. And now this week, we're going to be looking at chapter 14. Actually, it's the continuation of our marketing. That's what you looked at this past week. And we covered, again, a check-in assignment for chapter 14. We had the PowerPoints. There was a homework assignment as well on the product life cycle evaluation. So I wanted you to give me 5 products in each of the various life stages, and then pick one to kind of highlight and tell me why you thought that was in the stage that it was in. And then we did a quiz, and then you are continuing your discussion post by Simon Sinek on how leaders inspire action. Now we come into this week, week 11. You have another check-in assignment focused on chapter 15. There's a PowerPoint for chapter 15. There's a homework. Now this one you're going to talk about how are products distributed, because one part of marketing we often forget is the distribution of products. We call this the place of the 4 Ps in marketing, and the place is very important. People need to be able to get what they want to get, when they want to get it, or how they can get it, and make it easy for them. So obviously this is a huge part, how distribution systems work. So your homework assignment is going to ask you to do a little research on a product that you've recently bought, and what was the process for them getting it to the store that you bought it at. And I want you to do a little research on that. So that's what the homework assignment is about. And then, of course, you have your quiz for this week, chapter 15, and then the discussion post continues on for a couple more weeks. If you have 1 more week to get that done, but you still have this week as well. So make sure you watch the video and the discussion post, you answer the questions, making your initial post, and then make sure you view and comment on at least 2 other students' posts. So that's kind of how the check-in assignment works, and the idea is that you're having a dialogue and discussing some of the concepts that Simon Sinek is bringing up in this video, so in this TED Talk video. So please watch that. Don't ignore that. That's worth 50 points. That's half of an exam. So don't waste those points. They're easy points, and they're very valuable because what you learn is invaluable. So that's pretty much it for week number 11. Again, we have 1 more week. Week 12 will bring us to the end of module 3. We'll have an exam next week. We'll finish the discussion post next week. And then we'll be starting our 4th and final module, which will take up the rest of this course until we get to the 16-week mark. So have a great week, everyone. If you have any questions, issues, problems, or challenges, don't hesitate to get a hold of me. You can text me, email me. If you need to call me, you can call me, but whatever works for you. Of course, you can also meet me in my office hours, which are posted on the homepage in Canvas. Have a great week, everyone.